This short video will go over how to set up a 301 redirect on an old piece of content and put that on a brand new URL. The reason why you would do this is to fix a mistake in your site structure, or you want to preserve the old ranking on that old URL and then move that onto the brand new URL. So to do that, first you need a redirection plugin. You can use YoastSEO or RankMath to do it, but there's a couple free plugins you can try. So on the plugins, hit add a new plugin and just simply search for redirect. I personally recommend this one right here with 2+ million active installations. Now hit install and then activate. To set up the redirection, go under tools, go to redirection, and then hit start setup. Alright, you are done. So for this example, we're adding 301 redirect to this previously indexed content, and we're going to change the URL. So copy that and open up a notepad and just paste that in here for our future reference. So in this case, we're going to change it to shorten Amazon affiliate link, and we're going to hit save. Now we're going to hop back over to the plugins, go to redirection, and we're going to paste in our original URL and then the target URL, and we're going to hit add redirection. Now we're going to go back to Google Search Console, select the correct property and go to URL inspection. Now you're going to paste in the brand new URL and hit request indexing. Now if you have an old piece of content that used to rank well and then it stopped getting ranking, a best way to refresh that content may be a 301 redirect. Now the old piece of content may have been stuck in the click-through rate testing phase with Google. Now moving that piece of content to a brand new URL preserves the old ranking and also gives it a chance to re-index and rank better.